Hello and welcome to this tutorial of Unity levels. I'm going to show and share with you how to create different levels in Unity, which is actually called scenes in Unity, or how to create in the game levels and how to call them uh, through a click of a button. So now what I have right now is actually only one scene, which is this scene which you can have a look at, and this is all in my game. I mean, there can be first person controllers, there can be some collision, etc. going on. But if you want to have multiple levels, then what you need to do is you create new scene, file, and new scene, and then you save it with some name. For example, this is scene uh, 2, and right now what I will be doing is I will treat the scene 2 as something which is having nothing. It is just empty. What it will be doing is it will have a button inside, so that button will allow to load another scene, which is another level. So the make sure you remember the name of the scenes you have. So right now I have this Salala and Tilal, and the other scene is scene space 2. So from scene space 2 I will load this level. This is what I want to do. From scene 2 I will load this level, Salala and Talal. So what I would do is right click, create a new script, and call it welcome script. And when I load this, I will create some code over here, a very small code, 2 lines of code. I will add, just remove the start, it's not needed, and paste this code over here. This code has actually uh, one ability. It starts when the interface loads. Make sure all of this is case sensitive. O and GUI is only capital, and is small over here. Function ongoing, it means when the screen starts. Then create a new rectangle, and in that rectangle write write some text which will read start game. The size of that rectangle will be 200 by 50, meaning 200 into the width and 50 is its height, and the position will be in the center of the screen. This is what it means. Position it in the center of the screen. Half of the width and half of the height. So if that button is pressed, then load the level Salala and Tilal. So what this will do is application.load level, and then you write over here the name of the the level which you would like to load. So just save this. So I only have one script over here. I need to apply this on the main camera. If you don't apply this on main camera, it won't work. It's not effective. Okay, it seems I have some errors. Yeah, this one is extra. Just remove this. Save it. Go back to the scene. Yeah, there is no error. And then now the welcome screen in the scene 2, it has to be applied on the main camera. So when this is applied on the main camera, you will see it comes over here, and when you play it, you should see a button. This is a button which says start game. When you click over it, it should load another level, which is the Salala and Tala. So this is how the levels work. What you need to do for your project is ensure you have at least 2 levels. You link these 2 levels together through these buttons. So once the button is ready, it's coming on the screen, it is loading another levels. What you need to do now is to define the order. How do you define the order of which level comes first? So make sure you've saved the scene. I've saved the scene with the name scene 2. Go to build settings from file, and make sure you are actually having the one which is the main, which is having the welcome screen. The button is at the level, the top level, the 0 level. That's what you need to make sure. And yeah, that's also file, build settings, and this should be the top level. Then you go to file, build settings, and add current. This would add it to the scene. So it's already added over here, so I won't do it again, but make sure it is at the first level, which is 0, and the other one should be following it. So this is how you actually create levels and link them together. Thank you very much for watching.